Hey, so if you're using ClickUp and still confused about assigning tasks the right way, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you how to assign tasks in ClickUp step by step in 2026 so work actually gets done by the right people. All right? First things first, open your browser and go to ClickUp. From there, log in using your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land inside your workspace. And yeah, this is where all task management happens. Now, to assign a task, you first need to be inside a space, folder, or list. You can either open an existing task or create a new one. When creating a task, give it a clear name so the assignee instantly understands what the task is about, because vague titles slow teams down. Inside the task, you'll see the assignee field. Click on it and select the team member responsible for that task. You can assign one person or multiple people depending on how the work is structured. This instantly notifies them so there's no need for extra messages. Next, set a due date. This is super important. A task without a due date often gets ignored, especially in busy teams. You can also add a start date if the task shouldn't be worked on immediately. To make tasks easier to complete, add a description with clear instructions. You can include links, files, or checklists, which honestly helps avoid back and forth questions later. ClickUp also lets you assign priorities like low, normal, high, or urgent. This helps your team understand what needs attention first, especially when multiple tasks are assigned at the same time. As work progresses, the assignee can update the task status from to do to in progress or completed. This keeps everyone informed without needing constant follow-ups. And that's basically it. Assigning tasks in ClickUp is simple, clear, and powerful when done right. It keeps accountability strong and teams moving forward. If this video helped you out, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Share it with your team or anyone new to ClickUp, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in